So I'm going to show you how to make a screencast using Screencast-o-Matic. First thing you need to do is go to the website Screencast-o-Matic.com. When you're here, there's actually two different options for recording. One is through your web browser using a Java applet. You'll need to install their screen recorder launcher and allow it to run each time you start a new recording from their website. I've already installed their launcher, so when I click Start Recording, I just need to give the app permission to run by clicking Launch Application. And it will open this recording screen. You can also download the full app and install it on your Windows or Mac PC. I've tried both these methods and both work just fine, but either method will take you to the recording screen. If I open the app from the desktop, it will ask me to identify what type of license I have. I'll click on Free Recorder. And again, you see the same recording screen that we saw before. On this recording screen, I can adjust the size of my recording area by dragging the corners of this frame. It will only record what's inside this recording frame. I have the option of recording only my screen, only my webcam, or recording them both together on the same screen. With the free version of Screencast-o-Matic, I can record up to 15 minutes. If I upgrade to the Pro version, that removes the time limit. Also, with the Pro version, I have the option of recording sound coming from my computer instead of only from my microphone. When I'm ready to record, I'll click this small red record button in the lower left-hand corner. It gives me a countdown. And now it's recording everything that's happening on my screen inside of this bounding box. So if I open or close windows, type, highlight things, everything's getting recorded right now. I can click here to stop or pause my recording. And if I want to continue recording, I can hit record again. And it will add on to what I had already recorded in the first section. So if you need to take a break or think about what you want to say next, you can do that. When I'm ready to end my recording, I'll click stop again. If I don't like it and I want to throw it out, I can just throw it in the trash by clicking this button. But if I'm ready to save my recording and I'm finished with it, I'll click done. When I reach this screen, I still have the option of redoing my recording here or canceling and deleting my recording. But if I'm ready to save it, I have a couple options. The first one is to just save it to my computer as an MP4 file. From there I can upload that to Moodle or Blackboard or whatever learning management system I have. I can also upload it directly to YouTube. The third option is to upload it to Screencast-o-Matic. The nice thing about this option is I can always save my file later from their website or upload it to YouTube. And in the Pro version, it actually gives me some really nice options for editing. If you choose this option, allow it to open your browser and also allow it to upload the file to the website, to your Screencast-o-Matic account. From here I can trim the beginning or the end of my recording by dragging the ends of this bar in the bottom. So if I have a little bit of dead space on either end, I can get rid of that. And it'll only publish the section within the bar, with the ends of the bar here. I can change the title by typing it in here. And if I don't want this video to be searchable, I'll change this setting from everywhere to nowhere and click publish. Now if I want to go back to this video to download it to my computer instead, or maybe upload it to YouTube, I can click on my account here, and here I see where my uploads are. Click on this link, this chain icon here, and you see I can still download this as an MP4, save it to my computer, and then upload it to YouTube if I want to. Now I'd like to go back and show you some of the extra features that are available in the Pro version of Screencast-o-Matic. If I open the app from my Pro account, I can see a list of my recordings here, the ones that I saved to Screencast-o-Matic. So I'm going to click on a recording I made earlier, and if I click on this here, I can see some extra publishing options. In the Pro version I have the option of uploading to Vimeo, to Google Drive, to Dropbox, as well as the original options I had to save it to my computer or YouTube or to Screencast-o-Matic. I also have the option to edit my video by clicking here. When I edit my video in Pro version, it gives me several different types of tools to help me make changes to my video. I can cut pieces of my video out. For instance, if I made a mistake in the middle of my video but I don't want to redo my recording, I can select part of my video to cut out. I can hide either the cursor in my video or the webcam portion of my video. I can add a new recording to my video, or I can add an existing recording to it. I can pick part of my video where I want to redo just the narration and re-record my voice at that part. I can add overlays like images or text. I can add special effects like highlighting or blurring or arrows, things like that. I can replace my video or choose one frame, one still frame of the video to reproduce as a freeze frame. I can speed my video up or slow it down, add transitions, or for instance, if I want to take out the narration at a certain point, I can just reduce the volume at that point, or if it's too quiet, I can raise the volume. So these tools give me a lot of options to kind of fine-tune my video, especially if I tend to make a lot of mistakes while I record. Or also if I want to add some special effects to draw my students' attention to a certain part of the page or a certain part of the screen.